Hello everybody, I am Tracy Rustin, and as a marketing major here at Bloomsburg, I was thinking that going through freelogodesign.org would be a perfect way to show my skills and be able to show people how to create a logo for any company or any purpose necessary. So, free logo design allows you to pick from pre-made logos, or you can customize your own logo in minutes, and this is used by entrepreneurs, small business owners, freelancers. A bunch of people have used this website before, and I think that it is a perfect tool for quick and easy logo making. So I'm going to come here and create my logo. And now you get to actually pick from the category that your company could be in. So say we're doing something for a bakery. We would go into food and drink, and you can search through many logos you want and find a good logo for your company. So I'm actually going to go back to the first page because I think I liked this one. Nice. So from here you can edit a bunch of things. You can actually add shapes, you can add text, you can add a new icon, or you could change up the logo a little bit. So when you click on something, so clicked on the cupcake, you can change the cupcake color, you could change the circle colors. It's the inside of the circle. Let's change the outside color to match the inside color. Actually, let's go pro. Yeah. And then you can change the name here. Perfect. Now I don't like that text color, so we can make that color back to the purple. Let's change that color to purple. Let's actually change this to a darker purple so that it stands out a little bit more. Same with this. There. Now I'm happy with this logo, and I can actually click Save Logo. It'll take a minute or two to process, and you can click Share Logo, or you can click Free Download. Now you can buy the program for $39 or $129, but there's no really reason for that because all you have to do is press download, put in your first name, your email address, and it sends straight to your email address, and you're able to get your free logo straight to your email address for no money at all. Now I hope you enjoyed this logo making tutorial, and thank you for watching.